afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Here we are in happy sunny Florida. AICs are getting some bad weather up north. I don't know where everybody is from, but down here it's summer every day. This has to be another example of one of our builds. This gentleman chose one of our 450 edition 383 Chevy Strokers. He wanted it painted gold. I painted a gold block pan and timing cover for him. We got these beautiful Edelbrock valve covers on here, fitted valve covers, an MSD distributor, Holley carburetor. All of our engines can be custom built any way you'd like. You can give us a call. We'll be happy to take on a challenge. No challenge too big here. Hey, enjoy the holidays and everybody stay warm and cozy. Peace. Hey, Kevin, I got this 38 Chevy Coupe engine for you. Happens to be one of our Chevy 383 450 horse motors. We're going to fire this up and give you a run demo. It also looks beautiful with the gold color paint. How's that? Nice.